So today's video I'm going to show you how to illustrate a male croquis. Now before I start teaching you how to illustrate a male croquis, I'm going to compare it with a female croquis. So let's say we start first with a female croquis. For the face we usually give an oval shape. Now I'll differentiate between a male and a female croquis. Okay, for male what I do is I do lots kind of a boxy face. So I don't give a complete oval shape, but I give more like a square jawbone and the chin. So that's the way I draw a female face and a male face. Then coming to the neckline. For neckline, for female, I give a nice thin neckline, and then for the shoulders, I give a straight shoulder, and then the beautiful bulge for the shoulder. For male, I try to keep a smaller neckline. For the shoulder, I give more of a drooped shoulder. So the bulge starts, the shoulder blade, I give more rounded, and that's how I give. So I don't give this for female. My female neckline is going to be more curved, whereas for male, what I do is this line. Okay. Now 2 is the bust line. So for female, it's more like an hourglass figure. So 2 is a bust line, 3 is a waistline. I give this shape for female like an hourglass. And hip. So this is the shape for a female, an hourglass shape. Right? Now for male, what I do is more like a box. So 3 is a waistline. I'll give a upper rib thingy, and then for the hip I give a straight. So I don't give a curve what I give for a female. I don't give a waistline what I give for a female. So that's more like my 2 box. Yes. Now the bust, I'll give the shape for the bust line. For the female, I'll nicely give the curve for the waistline. I'll give the bulge for the hip. For the male, I'll give, yes, that goes for the chest, and then make it straightish. So that goes for the upper body. Now for the hand also, it's more like this. So let's say he's kept his hand this way, right? Again. So for the arms, the biceps, the triceps. Same thing if it's for female, I'll give it more thinner lines, more shape. Yes, so can you understand the difference between a female and a male? It's more thinner. I don't give the bulges what I give for the male. Yes, so that's the major difference between the female and male. Now for legs, again 3 is a waistline, 4 is a hip line, 5, 6. 6 is where I will give the knees. Before I draw the legs, I'll always give the bone line first. So she's standing in this way, right? For male, I'll make it more straightish, if at all, something like this. Okay, always give the bone line first. I'm sorry I've made it slightly lighter, but I guess, yes. Okay, now for female, I'll shape it up. That goes for the leg. I'll give the knee. Give the calf shape, make it slightly slimmer, and I'm giving the knee shape. Okay. Same thing for male. What I'll do is I'll make it slightly more bulkier, more masculine, more bulge. Give more bulge. Yes, so that's the difference between a female figure and a male figure. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any of my classes. Thanks for watching. Bye.